Guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can share a Spotify song on your Instagram story. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So the first thing that you want to do is go on Spotify and find the song that you want to share on your Instagram story. So let's say I want to share a song from Migos, this one, yeah? What I need to do is just tap on the little button with three dots on the top right of corner of my screen. Once I've tapped on it, I need to select the last option which is share, and here I get multiple options: WhatsApp, Instagram stories, Facebook Messenger, SMS, etc. I'll select Instagram stories, which is the second option, and once I've tapped on it, it should take me to into my Instagram and my story, and just to add the music on top of the video that I filmed for my Instagram story. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now you have a Spotify song on your Instagram story. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one. Cheers!